This video will help you answer questions about Woodruff Library on the Clark Atlanta University first-year seminar exam. Where is the URL for the library located on the CAU homepage? The library website can be found on the CAU homepage by going to Campus Life and scrolling down to Robert W. Woodruff Library. What do you need to check out print material from the library?
In order to check out print material from the library, you need a library barcode on your student ID. You can get a barcode from the circulation desk.
What is your CAU email? Your CAU email is your first name, last name, @students.cau.edu. What do you need to use library computers and Wi-Fi, as well as access electronic material off campus? To use library computers and Wi-Fi, as well as access electronic material off campus, you need a remote access account. For CAU students, it's your campus email and your password. What is the initial cost of a library print card?
A library print card costs 50 cents, and any additional funds put onto the card can be used for printing. Printing is 10 cents per page for black and white, and 50 cents per page for color copy. You can purchase a print card at the stations by the circulation desk.
Where can you find the library's hours of operation?
The library's hours of operations for a certain day are always on the library homepage. To find the hours for different days, go to the library calendar.
Who is the librarian for your major?
To find a librarian for a certain subject, go to About and Subject Librarians. You can find an A to Z directory of the librarians and also the librarians by subject.
What is the URL of the research guide for your major?
Librarians create research guides for their subjects. To find the research guide for a particular subject, go to Find Materials and browse Research Guides.
Finding a book. To find a book by title, use our Find What You're Looking For box. Type in all or part of the title using quotation marks to search it as one phrase. Inside its record in the catalog, you will be able to see its publication information and its availability. Finding an article. You can also use the catalog to find articles. To find an article on a particular subject or set of subjects, type in your keywords using the word "and." You'll see the article's citation information along with links to the articles on the results page. What is the difference between scholarly and non-scholarly sources? Scholarly sources are material written by experts on a topic, reviewed by their peers who are other experts on the topic, and read by people studying that field. Non-scholarly sources do not have to be written by experts, and they are usually intended to be read by the general public. What is the URL for the Citation Style Research Guide? The Citation Style Research Guide is at research.auctr.edu/citation, and it can be found by going to Find Materials, browsing the research guides, going to Citation Styles, and clicking on the guide. This concludes the video. For more information, go to research.auctr.edu/FYS or email us at askref@auctr.edu.